Valentine's Day is the perfect time to celebrate love, beauty, and creativity, and what better way to do that than with a stunning set of Valentine's Day nails? In today's video, we are diving into the most romantic, trendy, and eye-catching nail designs that will make your hands look absolutely gorgeous for this special occasion. Whether you're going on a romantic date, spending time with friends, or simply treating yourself to some self-love, these nail ideas will give you the confidence to shine. From classic red nails to soft pink shades, heart designs, glitter accents, and modern minimalist looks, there is something here for every style and mood. Let's start with the timeless classic, red Valentine's Day nails. Red is the color of love, passion, and confidence, and it never goes out of style. A glossy red manicure instantly gives a bold and elegant vibe, while a matte red finish creates a modern and sophisticated look. You can keep it simple with a solid red color, or add tiny heart details, rhinestones, or gold foil for extra glamour. Almond and coffin nail shapes look especially stunning in red, making your hands appear more graceful and stylish. This design is perfect for a romantic dinner date and pairs beautifully with both casual and formal outfits. If you love soft and feminine styles, pink Valentine's Day nails are a must-try. Baby pink, blush pink, hot pink, and nude pink shades create a delicate and romantic feel that is perfect for the season of love. A pink ombre nail design blends different tones beautifully and gives a dreamy effect. You can also add small white hearts, glitter tips, or chrome accents to make your nails look more playful and unique. Pink nails are ideal for those who want something cute, classy, and versatile that works for both day and night looks. For those who enjoy creative and artistic designs, heart nail art is the ultimate Valentine's Day trend. Tiny hearts, negative space hearts, and abstract heart patterns are all over social media, and they look absolutely adorable. You can choose a neutral base and draw small red or pink hearts for a minimal design, or go all out with colorful heart patterns on every nail. French tip nails with heart details are also a huge trend this year, combining elegance with a fun romantic twist. These designs are perfect if you want your nails to be the center of attention. Glitter and sparkle nails are another beautiful choice for Valentine's Day. After all, love deserves a little extra shine. A full glitter nail in rose gold or pink creates a glamorous look, while glitter gradients and accent nails add just the right amount of sparkle without being too overwhelming. Rhinestones, gems, and metallic stripes can elevate your manicure and make it look salon-perfect. These nails are especially stunning for night dates, parties, or special Valentine's events where you want your hands to catch the light and look magical. Minimalist Valentine's Day nails are perfect for those who prefer a clean and modern aesthetic. Nude nails with tiny hearts, thin red lines, or a single crystal on each nail create a chic and elegant design. Micro French tips in red or pink are also trending and give a subtle yet stylish Valentine's vibe. This type of manicure is perfect for everyday wear and for people who love simple but fashionable nail art that matches every outfit. Let's talk about nail shapes because the shape of your nails can completely change the final look. Long coffin and stiletto nails are perfect for dramatic and glamorous Valentine's designs, while short square and round nails give a cute and natural appearance. Almond-shaped nails are the most popular choice for a romantic and feminine look because they make the fingers look longer and more elegant. No matter which shape you choose, the key is to make sure your nails are well-shaped and neatly polished. Color combinations also play a huge role in creating the perfect Valentine's Day manicure. Red and white, pink and silver, nude and gold, and even black and red create stunning contrasts that look modern and stylish. If you want something unique, you can try pastel tones, chrome finishes, or jelly nails for a trendy and fresh design. Mixing textures like matte and glossy finishes in one manicure is also a big trend that adds dimension and interest. Valentine's Day press-on nails and gel nails are great options if you want a long-lasting and professional look. Press-on nails are perfect for quick transformations at home, while gel nails give a shiny and durable finish that can last for weeks. If you love changing your nail designs often, press-ons allow you to experiment with different styles without commitment. Taking care of your nails before applying any design is very important. Healthy cuticles, moisturized hands, and a good base coat will make your manicure look flawless. and last longer. Don't forget to apply a top coat for extra shine and protection. Nail care is a form of self-love, and Valentine's Day is the perfect time to pamper yourself with a relaxing manicure session. These Valentine's Day nail ideas are not just about beauty. They are about expressing your personality and celebrating love in your own unique way. Whether you prefer bold and dramatic nails, soft and romantic designs, or simple and minimalist styles, your nails can be a beautiful accessory that completes your entire look. Matching your nails with your outfit, makeup, or accessories can create a perfectly coordinated Valentine's aesthetic. As Valentine's Day approaches, take some time to choose a nail design that makes you feel confident, stylish, and happy. You don't need a special occasion to look and feel beautiful, but this day is a wonderful excuse to add a little extra charm and sparkle to your style. Love yourself, express your creativity, and let your nails tell a romantic story. That's it for today's video. I hope you found the perfect Valentine's Day nail inspiration that you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which nail design is your favorite and which one you will be wearing this Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more fashion and beauty inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day and stay beautiful. Another beautiful trend that is taking over this Valentine's season is the combination of French tip nails with romantic details. The classic French manicure is being reinvented with red, pink, and even glitter tips instead of the traditional white. Adding tiny hearts along the smile line, a small love letter design, or a delicate gemstone at the base of the nail transforms this timeless style into something modern and festive. This design is perfect for anyone who loves elegant nails but still wants to celebrate the romantic theme of the day in a subtle and fashionable way. Chrome and metallic Valentine's nails are also becoming extremely popular. A soft pink chrome finish creates a glazed, mirror-like effect that looks luxurious and trendy. Red chrome nails give a bold and futuristic vibe that stands out beautifully in photos and videos. You can also mix chrome with ombre or use it as an accent nail to create contrast. These nails are perfect for people who love high-fashion beauty looks and want something different from traditional designs. If you enjoy playful and cute nail art, you can try conversation heart nails inspired by the classic Valentine's candies. Soft pastel nails with tiny words like love, be mine, and Zoxo create a fun and nostalgic design. This style is youthful, colorful, and perfect for content creation because it looks amazing in close-up shots. Cartoon hearts, lip prints, teddy bears, and bow designs are also trending and add a sweet and charming touch to your manicure. For those who love luxury and drama, long acrylic Valentine's Day nails with 3D nail art are the ultimate showstopper. Think sculpted hearts, crystals, pearls, and layered gel designs that create a textured effect. These nails are not just a manicure, they are a statement piece. They are perfect for special,